Good day everyone. Today is August 19 and our devotion is entitled Hatred of Sin. Our verse is Psalms 27:10. Kayong nagmamahal sa Panginoon, hunghian niyo ang kasamaan. Ang kaluluwa ng kanyang mga banal ay kanyang iniingatan. Kanyang sinastik sila sa kamay ng kasalanan. Sabihin na tayo dahil mahal tayo ng Panginoon bilang isang banal. Ang katawan natin ay templo ng Espiritu Santo. Ganun man, kailangan itong ingatan at alagaan. Huwag natin itong gumising upang patuloy tayo kahit na kahit ang kasalanan ay patuloy na sinasabit ng Panginoon, ngunit ay naniniwala sa Kanya maging or magkabanal para sa Kanya. Ang teaching natin ngayon is isang kasi ang kasalanan ay nakawasan. Number 2 is stopping God is Satan. If we truly love Him, if we truly adore Him, cherish the love of Jesus Christ, because we truly love Him, we must hate the evil things, because He hates those things. Therefore, we must live according to His will, by hating evil, by fighting against it. 3. Genuine Christian hates those genuine Christian who truly put their trust in God, knows what good and bad, and truly love God and Jesus Christ. Therefore, know to be hateful of sin. Sin can cause a separation between God and us. If we do more and more sin, and less pain. Therefore, we put boundaries between us and God. For our application, ask God to sensitize your heart. We must ask God to purify us, to remove all the hatred, remove all the sins in ourselves, in our heart, so that all the desires that we would have is all holy. Hate sin without being self-righteous. Let's hate sin without us being self-righteous by knowing that we are far more on top hate sin genuinely, that because we are Christian and we love God and we hate sin, having sin or doing sin makes us separate from Him. Through our genuine conversion, must prove that we genuinely wanted to change, wanted to follow Him, wanted to obey Him and put our trust in Him because we love Him. And we know His sacrifices on our side. And we know that He promises will soon to be fulfilled by Him.